What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video, and today we're going to unbox not one, but two Gallimimus. I'm going to keep one in the package, one's going to be unboxed. Let's see if I can unbox this. I'm still kind of impressed with how they made the new movie. Leave a comment down below if you like the Gallimimus. I'm actually a huge fan. Figure out how they open this. Turns out I suck at unboxing stuff. There we go. Took me a lot of ripping. This might break this thing. I did it. Let's put all that to the side. Right now, we have the official part of everything. I've not seen one of these tiny minifigures in a very long time. Actually, not even. This was only shown in Jurassic Park, so I'm still kind of surprised how they could be able to make something like this. And boom, we have a working Gallimimus. Let's load this damn up. It's not cool. I think he likes to say hi. That's actually really cool. Like, you can see how much detail was put into that. I mean, like, I'm still kind of surprised because I have never, seen one of these. I never ever released one besides Jurassic Fallen Kingdom and Jurassic Park. And these were the only times these things were seen. So I think we should give the movie company a round of applause because it's just great. It's in the box. Now it's not. Subscribe down below, leave a like. Bye.